Good morning to all. Myself Arul Soumya, working as an assistant professor in IT department. So here I'm going to discuss a topic on rectangular data, which is comes under data science. So rectangular data in data science. So our topic is the foundation of structured analysis of modern analytics. So firstly, what is rectangular data? So rectangular data simply means a data arranged in rows and columns like a table. So think of your school attendance register. So each row is one student. So each column is one detail, that is name, age, marks, etc. Each cell is one piece of information. So this neat table shape is called rectangular data. So here we are creating a table which consists of row, column and cell. So these data are comes under a table shape called rectangular data. So next, why rectangular data matters? So rectangular data is very important in data science because it is easy to understand. That is, anyone can look at a table and understand it easily. And second one is easy to work with. So here we can easily sort, filter, calculate averages and find totals, and we can join two tables and etc. So next one is it works everywhere. Like most of the tools like Excel, SQL, Python, or data. So here all the work are based with rectangular data. And the last one is base for data analysis. So when we want to build charts, graphs, or machine learning models, we mostly start with rectangular data only. So the next one is rectangular versus non-rectangular data. So here we are differentiating rectangular data and non-rectangular data. So rectangular data in the sense it comes under strict rows and columns. That is, it always looks like a table which consists of rows and columns. And second one is uniform and predictable shape. That is, the shape is clear and fixed, and it's very easy to manipulate and analysis. For example, we can take a student database, sales record, examination results in schools or colleges, and these are all the main parts in rectangular data. So the next one is non-rectangular data. So in non-rectangular data, it does not follow any row or column format. That is, it is a hierarchical trees or networks or graph. So it look like a tree list or networks, and it can used when data is complex. That is, it is a spatial data or nested structure where we can solve a complex relationships or complex data problems. So for example, Facebook friend network, folder structure in our computer, and nested JSON files are some of the examples. So simply the rectangular data is basically a simple process, but sometimes real life is more complicated, so we can use other structures. So the next one is visualizing rectangular data. So how we visualize the rectangular data? So imagine this as a table, that is, which consists of ID, name, age and grade. So there contains a four students name, four students the age and grade. So here the four rows shows four students, and four columns shows four students the ID, name, age and grade. So this is the simplest form of rectangular data. So the next one is creating rectangular data structure. So how do we create rectangular data in programming? Like for example, we are taking in R and in Python. So here in R we creating a matrix with structured dimensions. That is, For example, matrix of 1 is to 20, that n equal to row is equal to 5, by row is equal to row. Here this shows, this creates 5 rows, 4 columns, and number filled from 1 to 20. This is the example for our structures. And next one is Python. Here the program shows panda. We are using pandas and data frames. Data by using data frame, we have mentioned ID, name, and age of a student. So this database create a data frame, that is a Python version of table where can be shown. So finally, we are coming to key points. So what are the key points here? The first one is rectangular data is the foundation of data science. So almost all analysis starts with tables, and it works in almost all tools. That is, for example, Excel, SQL, Python, or and all supported formats. So the next one is it uses rectangular data when structure is needed, but it chooses other formats when relationships are complex. So that